me today. We're going to be going through different axes, trimming axe, felling axe, all different stuff. So let's get started.
So what he's going to use for now is just the trimming axe, just to cut down this tree here, because he might get a bit exhausted with this big felling axe. So he's already marked out where he wants to cut it. So whenever he's ready. As you can see, he's cutting at an angle. Now, it's a bit dangerous me getting this close, but he's cutting at an angle. You can see everything flying off here. Now, when you're cutting down a tree, what you need to do is, further down, you need to cut at an angle. You need to cut out a wedge where you want it to fall. Ow! And then, on the back, what you need to do is, further up on the back, behind it, you need to cut out another wedge, and then, gravity takes care of the rest. So, just cutting out a 45-degree angle there. Yeah, it hurts when you get hit by a lump of wood.
That was a nice swing. As you can see, Keen comes up now. You can see
I'm going to stop it.
that lovely wedge.
Right, I'm just going to pause it here, and then And we're back, and Luke is ready to start cutting again. I'm going to stand back this time, because that big lump of wood hit me and it hurt.
Ooh, that was a good bit.
Just zoom in a bit. Yeah.
I'm going to cut a better angle. Let's cut a bit higher.
Yep.
I can get a better triangle of it.
Because as you can see, maybe, at the bottom,
Switch to a felling axe.
at the bottom, it's fairly straight, and at the top it's starting to go at an angle. So now he's using the felling axe, which is much bigger and much more suited to this job. Bit of a camera malfunction. Luke's, so wait there. As you can see, he's cut out a decent wedge there, and now we're going to start cutting at the back. He stopped using the felling axe, and I think he's probably going to be using the trimming axe again. So if I just get on this side, so you can watch him. If Luke, you stop there so I can get around here to get a decent angle on you. There we are. Right.
Do I cut it higher or lower, Ian?
Higher. You cut it higher. Just get this branch out of the way.
So you're doing the same as you do on the front?
Yep.
On the back, but a bit higher.
And then after that bit comes the bit which I quite like. That's so. But jeez. Let's just zoom in a bit. May in the background there. Silly doggy. Right, slowly cutting through that.
Hit the cork.
Right,
You
Luke.
can see, this wood's a lot darker, so it's full of more sap. And like that's the core of the tree, where it absorbs all the water up to the leaves.
So if we just wait there, then we'll pause. And then we'll come back at the most exciting bit, which is actually properly felling it. So we're back, and we are almost through. Luke has now changed axe to
this axe, which is the older axe.
As you can see,
very well.
As you can see, it's got a nick there, and we've got quite deep through using the felling and the trimming. So we're just starting. Luke's just starting at the sides now. So,
Do a little bit at the back first.
Yep. So hopefully it should be felled soon, and I might have to stop holding the camera so I can help Luke and just put it on a stand somewhere.
I'm going to start on the side.
Yep. He's going to try and get that bit of the side out there. Just weaken it all the way around like a beaver.
This thing's a lot better upswings. See how deep that went? If you come here.
quite deep.
For an old blade. It's going right into the core. It's a lot heavier than the trimming axe though.
Mm.
Well, it does the job. Now on to the next side.
If I just come round so we can see him. Just back here for a bit of safety. So I don't want to get hit in the head again by a bit of wood. This side here hasn't been took out at all yet. So hopefully once this bit's weakened, that should go timber. Oh, I think once Luke's cut through that, if I could get my splitting wall, then that should be almost done. Luke! Get the camera. Can we get the camera? Get my splitting wall. Go in!
Starting to go.
Here, Luke. If you just weaken that a bit, then I'll go get my splitting wall. Here, Luke. Stop. Can we get this camera? Can we get the camera?
Grab the camera.
Right, I'll go get my splitting wall.
Stop.
So, that was another cutout there. Jesus, camera's good at cutouts.
It's
So,
just the cards keeps filling up, but we've deleted a load of stuff now.
Yeah.
So
we're ready to start refelling it. So, just get the camera at a decent angle on this plank. Right, there we are, and I'll just get over here. Careful, Luke.
go on.
Just get this axe.
I don't want to hit you.
So he's just slowly chopping away at that. He's almost through the core here.
Whoa!
Luke. If I
No. I need to just hit that in the one more time in the back.
Here, Luke, now, look. I'll get that with the hammer. Luke, move.
Probably just kick that down.
Nope.
1 minute.
Three more hits off you, Luke. That should be through. Oh, it's going.
Wedge it.
I think that's going to go in a few hits. Oh. Yeah, that's going.
Luke, it's gone. It's gone.
Pass me
It
that.
just needs to, it's stuck up there.
It's like that. Wow, this is good axe. Don't even need that much power on it. I see why you like this axe. Back again. I think Luke's just going to restart cutting.
We definitely need a new camera.
Yes, we do. Constantly cuts out. It's bloody well annoying.
I might start using the GoPro, but we need to get a cord for it.
Yeah, modern technology I do not understand.
Whoa!
Whoa. Ah, that bird almost just got hit by it. Ah, stupid bird. Black bird.
Timber!
Whoa, that was sudden. Wow, that was exciting.
So I've cut through it.
Luke,
I didn't get anything in my eye. Got water.
it's like what's gone right in my eye. Doesn't it hurt though? I can just feel it there. I'll just leave it. Right, so what I would recommend was rather than bringing it that way, is to bring it this way up through this little
Ravine over here.
Yeah. through to our passageway.
I'll trim this down so we've got more room.
Yeah, with a trimming axe, Luke. Yeah, you like that one, don't you?
It's starting.
That was very sudden.
It's this axe. It just went pop.
Boop! Ow!
Just watch out. You're the only one who's been hit today.
I know.
And in most videos you get hit.
I know. It's not fair.
That's why we need cameraman Dan to get hit. He will be. Dan can be with us. He's at an event.
Yeah.
He's also got a channel. And we'll put that in the description.
Right.
Just in case. Go check him out.
We just paused this little bit of trimming here after he's cut that. He's actually released any videos yet, has he?
He hasn't released any videos, but he will be.
Eventually.
Go.
Right, so
Should I just get this one off just in case? Subscribe and leave a like.
good.